This was a landmark case that changed everything. The IRS didn't have access to this guy's book. They didn't even have access to his bank records. They didn't even have access to all of his invoices. But you know what they did had? They had his net worth at the start of the year and at the end of the year. And they looked at his assets that he owned and they looked at his lifestyle. They subtracted all his known sources of income, and the difference, that was his unreported income. The IRS calculated his net worth and they figured how much money he was underreporting. His net worth grew, but the amount of income he was putting was nowhere near what he was actually living. The court actually agreed with the method the IRS used. The court said you didn't need the bank records to provide someone made money. So they went back, they calculated everything, and they proved that he made more money without even seeing his bank account. And that's how sophisticated the IRS is. They don't need your cooperation. They don't need your records. They can build a case around you using public information, property records, vehicle registration, and lifestyle. I've got a full-length video of this topic that goes over all the nuances that you probably want to know. Click the link below to find out more.